Hi friends, happy to interact with you all after a long time. I'm here in Mumbai for attending a wedding, and incidentally I have come to meet my school friend here in Thane, Mumbai. So this is my friend Rajalakshmi, my schoolmate, my classmate.
Hi.
Hi Raji.
Hi.
And she is going to share her experiences about her dishwasher. So I'll ask her questions and she'll be answering it. So over to her now. Raji, can you just tell me what dishwasher you have?
Yes, I am Rajalakshmi. I have purchased IFB dishwasher, which is really useful. I consulted.
What is the which is the model? Can you say?
My model is Neptune SX1. Neptune SX1.
Yeah.
And
since how long are you having it?
Actually, I am using it since 2020.
Okay, so you bought it during COVID?
Yeah, during
Yeah,
COVID.
so here I can proudly say that she contacted me and she wanted to know about dishwashers.
Yeah.
And I can happily, proudly say that I could give her some advice regarding purchase of dishwasher because it was a new concept to her as well. And
Yes.
of course, I didn't say which model or which brand. She decided on her own. I just gave her, I just told her that it is a very good buy. It will be a useful product. Again.
Yeah. Actually, this IFB dishwasher, na, it is 16 place.
15.
15,
I think
sorry,
it's 15 place
yes,
setting,
15
yeah.
place setting.
Hmm.
And see, this has got, this is the on off button. This
Yeah,
is
you can
the
show it.
power. Yeah. This is power on. And then program
So you've got
settings.
plenty of
Yeah,
programs.
plenty of programs.
Yeah.
This is the program setting. We have, this I think is the eco type, I suppose.
Yeah.
And then this is quick 50. And this is 132.
So this is a time display.
Time display,
This shows
yes,
the
yes,
time.
time display.
And as usual, like in all
Yeah.
machines, this is the salt symbol
Salt
and the
this
rinse
is
side
the
symbol.
rinse side symbol.
Okay.
Yeah. And
what
then,
are these? Is this the half load?
This is we have half load also in this.
Yeah.
And then this is, I think
I think quick wash or
quick
something.
wash, I think. Yes,
Huh.
quick wash, I suppose. And half this is tablet
Okay,
also
you
we
select
can
this,
use.
press
Yeah.
this button for half load.
Half load
Yeah.
we can use this half load button. And then
This is if in case you are using tablet.
Tablet,
Okay.
yes,
So
in case you are
this,
using
this
tablet.
button you press for selecting the
selecting
programs.
the programs.
Can you
yes.
tell me what these are?
This
Okay,
is
these
the
are other
temperatures,
programs.
other programs.
Like this is for glass.
Glass, and this is for crockery.
Okay.
And some vessels.
This is for
everything
must be intensive because you can see there's a 70 degrees.
70 degrees, yes.
So, and what do you have? It looks like you have got some extra programs as
Yeah,
well.
there
Additional.
yes, there are some delay timer.
That is, you can delay the time of the wash. Like
Wash,
you can,
like, yes.
you can set it, and that the machine will switch on after a few hours.
Yes.
I think it must be available for 24 hours. I think that is
yes,
the usual
yes,
thing.
Usual thing. Yeah.
Okay.
And this is the extra hygiene. This I am using.
Okay. So
and
is this the program you use regularly?
regularly I am using Quick 50
Huh?
and
Wait, which is that quick 50?
See, I'll just show
Can you select that?
Yeah. And this and extra hygiene. So it totally takes
You
around
mean extra hygiene and extra rinse?
extra rinse, yes. And extra hygiene and extra rinse I'm using. So
Okay.
totally it takes 1 hour 15 minutes.
Okay.
And then this is a button where
To
you
start,
the
stop,
probe.
and pause in
yes,
between.
Yes, pause in between.
Okay.
Yes. And this is for the tablet.
Okay. So Raji, can you tell me like what do you use for your cleaning the dishes? Like
Cleaning-
detergent or
yes,
tablet?
I was using detergent powder for say 6-7 months.
Okay.
Since now recently I have started using the tablets.
Okay. Which
Finish-
tablet? Can you
finished
tell me which tablet?
Yes, see, this is the tablet which I am using.
Okay.
This is the finished tablet. This is one more I have, but this I am not using very frequently.
Okay. So you are using
yeah,
this.
I'm using better quality. One more we have. That
You,
where that
do
ball
you
is
use
there, yes.
yeah,
That
all in
ball,
one?
Yes, all in one.
Power
all in
Max.
one. Power Max.
So can you tell me why did you shift from detergent to tablet?
When detergent was being used now, we need to add that rinse aid also.
Yes, rinse
Rinse
aid.
aid.
And, did you add salt initially the very first time?
Very first time the salt was added.
Okay.
Then later on, because the water is very soft here in Mumbai.
Yes, in Mumbai, yes,
Yeah,
water is very soft.
So
Yeah.
I don't use salt at all.
Salt, you don't
Initially
have to use.
I had
So
used
did
that
you
salt.
do the setting like you made it to the least,
Least,
setting.
yes. It was set
for
to
this. I
one
think
or
it is
something.
one.
Yeah,
One is the least
yes,
in this
one
machine.
is the least machine.
So you made it to
Made it
the
to
least
least
setting
setting, yes.
for water hardness.
Water hardness.
What about rinse side? Are you using rinse side on a regular basis?
Inside, no, I'm not using.
You-
But for
have
this,
you never used at all?
No. I have for the when detergent was being used, I
You
was
have used
using the
Rinside.
Rinside.
Okay.
But now and also for this tablets, I need to add a Rinside also.
Okay, this is a bit
Bit,
not that
effective.
high quality.
Yeah, not high quality.
So this finish tablet doesn't give you effective cleaning.
Doesn't
Without
give me
Rinside.
without Rinside.
Okay.
Yes. So
So-
I am using Rinside also.
Okay.
But now recently I find that my vessels are not getting dried fully.
Okay. So Raji, you were telling that recent times you are not getting your dishes are not getting
Dried, yeah.
So
Actually, what I was using this. See, this product I'm using, Finish
Powerball.
Powerball wala. So in this dishes dishes are all these vessels are getting very dry.
Clean and also
Clean,
dry.
no, not drying. Because when
This
I
also it's
add-
not drying.
No, it's not drying. So
Okay.
I don't know why. Maybe a little quantity I would have added more vessels or something.
Okay.
Placement, some.
See, there are a
problems
lot
would
of
be there,
things.
na?
Lot
Yeah.
of things. It's depend on many things actually.
Things, right.
Placement of dishes.
Dishes.
Like you said, number of vessels. Like
Vessels,
if
yeah.
it could quantity is more
Overloading,
overloaded
yeah.
and
If I
all,
overload
it can
it,
happen.
it can happen,
Cleaning will not be good as
Good,
well.
yeah.
And for drying you definitely need Rinside.
Rinside. Oh, I'm not
Remember
using
that
Rinside at all.
Rinside, the function of Rinside is to dry the dishes. And also gives streak free, like if you've got glassware, so it gives streak free glass.
glasses.
Yeah, the dishes are without any spots and
Spots
stains
and
and all. So you increase or decrease based on how you want the result to be, without streaks or drying. Depending on what you want, you can increase or decrease the Rinside setting.
Okay.
So you add Rinside and set it as per your water hardness. Since your water is very soft in Mumbai, you can keep it at the lowest, but Rinside is a must. That is what I always recommend. Whenever my viewers ask me, I always say that Rinside is a must, whether you use detergent or tablet. Because the Rinside quantity in the tablet will be very less.
Okay. How much should I add? This is the Rinside which I'm using.
Acha, you're using Bosch Rinside.
Rinside, yes.
So, so how do you use it? Do you use it on a on and off basis, or you pour it?
I pour
Totally.
it totally.
Ah.
Pour it totally, and then as and when it is getting used up,
So
then
your
I
light will blink here.
blink.
You will
Ah,
get a
only
blinking.
then, yes.
When the Rinside gets over,
gets
you will get
over,
a
it
blink,
gets-
blinking
in
here.
the star. This star.
Yes. You can show it here. So
Star
this
button is the indicator for
this
Rinside,
indicator for Rinside when it is getting over, it will blink. So you have to refill
You
it.
have to refill it,
So
yeah.
you have to keep it filled actually.
Okay.
And after filling, you also have to set the position, like set the level for Rinside.
Rinside. Oh, okay.
So accordingly it will take, like along with the detergent, the Rinside, and together only it performs, gives the perfect cleaning. So if you don't have Rinside, your dishes won't be dried.
Dry. Okay.
So that is one thing. Then you have to, I am seeing here IFB container.
Yeah,
So
this-
looks like you used this
I had
detergent.
used it initially.
Okay.
Initially, I was using it, but what was happening is Rinside was getting consumed faster along with the detergent powder.
Okay.
Whereas comparatively, I see that when I'm using the tablets, Rinside quantity
That will
consumption
happen
is
because
slightly less,
tablet has got
The
Rinside in it.
Rinside,
But the
okay.
quantity is not enough sometimes.
Right.
So that's why you
We
have
need
to have
add
Rinside as well,
Rinside also.
other than the Rinside which is available in the tablet. And the basic tablets like this won't have that too.
That too.
It will
Okay,
be very minimal.
Mm.
And you said in this you know it doesn't dry at all.
Doesn't dry at all, yes. And
okay.
the vessels also doesn't get very
Fully clean.
Yes, fully
Yes,
clean.
so that is the difference. You get different types of tablets which has just got different compositions. So depending on your dishes, like how soiled, how greasy your vessels are, you have to use your detergent or tablet, and also selection of program. Now can you tell me why you are using only this program?
Yeah, I think this is optimal time consumption is only 1 hour 15 minutes.
Okay.
Whereas in that eco selection, I think
So
it
which is
comes
the
around
longest program in this
3 hours.
model?
3 hours.
That is
Three
eco.
hours, eco, yes.
So
And
are you
what
aware that the longest program is actually the most economical?
No, I was not aware.
You are not
I was
aware.
yes.
So I would like to tell to my viewers as well. Many of you keep asking me like, why is it so long? I'd like to use a shorter program. But that is a misconception. It is not true. It is not the longer it is doesn't mean it is consuming more power or water. Yeah, intensive. If you go for the cycles which have higher temperature, the power consumption will be more. Water consumption could be more. But if you select eco, though it is very long, the name itself suggests it is economical. So the power consumption is also the least. Water consumption is also least. It takes long time, but the cleaning is efficient. But it does the slower speed, so it takes longer time, and water and power consumption is less. Yes, of course.
Very well.
Vessels also get dried in that program. So you can try using that actually.
Fine, I'll do that.
And so you can try the other options. So if you've got a highly soiled, heavy kadais or lot of greasy vessels, you can try your intensive mode, the one with 70 degrees.
70 degrees, okay. I think we are using 70 only, na? I think we are using 50.
50 is the maximum you are using.
Yeah, I think 50 is the maximum I'm using.
Okay,
yes.
Can you come over here? Let her explain to me the interior of the machine now.
Yeah.
Okay, Raji, can you just show?
Yeah. See, this is the handle.
This is a 15 place setting. So
this is the handle.
Oh, this is the handle.
And yes, I'm just opening it here. Yes. And on the topmost.
Okay, so this is got 3 racks.
3 racks.
That's
yes.
nice.
Topmost.
What do you place in these?
All spoons, cutleries, everything is getting placed, and
so
even small.
There is a lot of space,
yeah,
so you
lots
can
of
place
space,
lot of
and
things.
and small bowls also I place here.
Yeah,
even
so
that
there
is
enough
getting
space here.
enough
Yeah,
space.
okay.
Yeah.
So
all small vatis.
Do they
and
get
everything.
cleaned well?
Yes, very well.
Okay.
Very well.
Yeah, okay. Now this is the upper rack.
Yeah, upper rack, and this is the second rack where I use glasses.
Okay.
Then small vessels.
And you also
everything
have
is getting
space
placed.
here as well.
Yes.
Which can be, it is adjustable.
Adjustable, yeah. But this I am not using much.
No, you can keep it like this.
Uh-huh.
Here also, it is adjustable. You can just fix anything on this.
Okay.
In fact, in my Bosch dishwasher, I place my spoons in this actually.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But it doesn't fall or
No. So this is the place where.
Okay.
Yeah, if it is too tiny, it will fall.
Uh-huh.
So this is also adjustable. So you keep it like this only.
Yeah, I keep
Okay.
it this way.
So you get more space
more
for
space
keeping
for keeping all my
mugs, cups, and
everything.
you can even keep your ladles and everything
Yeah,
here.
everything.
But you
Ladles
have got-
I keep it here.
Yeah, so you've got lot of space
Lot of
here.
space here.
With this
And
being
this,
3 racks.
3 racks. Yes.
Okay, so this is the spray arm.
Spray, yes.
So you can see there is a lot of spray holes
Spray
here,
holes,
spray
yeah.
jets from which the water will be sprayed.
Okay.
Yeah. So you got just got one here.
Here. And
And,
then the. this
Acha,
is
can you
the-
tell me one thing? Is this adjustable level? Can you adjust the levels?
I
Are you
think-
aware of that?
No, I am not aware. I have not used it.
I think yes, you
Yes,
can.
you
You
can,
can
yeah.
adjust the upper.
this,
Every
no?
machine has got
Okay,
that. The
okay.
upper rack can be adjusted.
Okay.
To adjust the, supposing you want to place some vessels which are very tall.
Very tall. Huh.
Accordingly, you can just
Okay, you
lift
can
it up.
pick it
No,
up.
but
Okay.
here I think it's in the highest
Highest
position.
yes.
So this much only you can place. But maybe you can get it down.
Huh. So and this is the one where
So you
even
have
here
something to
also
hold
we
on
can
to
yes,
this,
hold
okay.
on also. And then this
So you got foldable tiles.
foldable types.
Yeah. So,
So
this
whenever-
you
where-
can fold it.
yeah, when
What
I-
about this? Is it fixed?
No, this is also foldable.
That is also foldable.
Foldable, yes.
Okay, that is nice.
Is it?
Yeah.
This way.
This way.
Yeah.
Okay. This is also
This is
foldable.
also foldable.
So you get
And
plenty
only
of
this
place.
is fixed.
This is fixed. This is fixed.
Yeah.
So you get this whole place
Whole
for
place
keeping
for
the
keeping
vessels.
the big
And
vessels.
different types of
Yeah,
like
yeah.
what all do you place?
I place all big vessels and even
Do you
big,
keep cookers?
Cooker also, yes.
Kadais?
Kadais. I
And
place.
which are the different types of cookware you use?
Yeah,
And
see-
that is you wash in your dishwasher.
All even milk
Milk containers, yeah.
containers I use.
Cooker.
Barani, cooker.
Yeah.
Everything is and many plates I keep it here.
Okay.
All plates I keep it here, and then even crockery items also I place here.
So you usually do you load it a single cookware like only steel or only
No,
glass,
no, no.
that kind
All
of thing?
mixed,
It's a
all
mixed
mixed,
load.
all mixed.
Glass
Ceramic glass also
and
I
heat
use.
resistant
Heat
plastic.
resistant
Do you use
yes.
microwave cookware like glass and
Glass
plastic?
also, yes, that also everything.
Yeah,
I
because if microwave plastic can withstand microwave heat,
Microwave heat,
it can
it can
withstand
withstand
this
this
because the
also.
maximum temperature is only 70
70
degrees.
degrees, yes.
So that is fine.
That is-
Do you wash aluminium?
No, aluminium and
Because
coated.
aluminium will get blackened.
Blackened,
Yeah,
okay.
it will get tarnished. So aluminium is a no-no
No,
for a dishwasher.
yeah.
And what about anodized or
Anodized I'm not
non-stick?
using. No, non-stick also I'm not
So that's the right thing. You
Yeah.
should not be doing.
Yeah.
You can, Arvind, you can come over here. So you can see the lower spray arm. and this is the filter,
Filter,
and
yes.
that is a salt compartment.
compartment.
So you have your detergent or tablet
detergent,
compartment,
yes, yes.
and this is a rinside
Rinside
compartment. So you pour
yes.
it in this, right?
Yes.
So how often do you clean the filter?
Filter, actually, the another what I do is every weekend I just put detergent and just give a wash.
Okay, full. Which
wash.
program do you use for that?
Same 115.
Okay.
Yes.
And it does a good cleaning.
Good cleaning, and that any order is there, food order, everything goes in.
But you don't remove the filter and
The
clean
filter
it?
also I clean.
Clean it.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
That every week you can say, or maybe 15 days.
So
once
your
I
filter
clean
is
it.
also
Yes,
clean.
filter
So
is
that
also
will
clean.
also good good practice,
practice,
for
yeah.
getting efficient cleaning. You know, you have to
Yes,
do that regularly.
regularly,
Cleaning
yeah.
of filter,
Filters
cleaning of
and
the
the
overall machine and
machine,
everything.
yes.
That otherwise it affects the cleaning.
Cleaning, yes, yes, correct.
So the internal thing is
So
over.
only now what I'm facing is it doesn't dry completely.
So for that reason you have to fill the
Fill the
inside
inside,
always.
okay.
So it will consume based on the number of
Number of
dishes,
dishes,
based on
yeah.
the program chosen.
Okay.
So but you try to fill it and keep.
Fill it.
So don't bother that I'm using only tablet or I'm using detergent.
Detergent.
Irrespective of that, you fill
You
the
have to
inside,
use it.
and then because Bombay water is very soft, you can avoid the salt.
Salt.
But inside it's better to have. That is my suggestion, my personal opinion.
Okay.
So that is it about the internal parts. Hope you like the casual interaction with my friend Raji. Thanks to Raji that I was able to make one more video on a different brand of dishwasher, adding to the list of other dishwasher videos in my channel. Hopefully I've covered most of the aspects of this IFB dishwasher, and I'm sure you'll find it very useful. Please share your comments in the comment section. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.